Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of TB's Lab. Today we have something special for you guys. Well, in this video we will do the unboxing of the Creality Ender 3 from Wool 3D and then a complete assembly guide in the second part of the video. Hope you will like it. The Ender 3 is among the top beginner-friendly printers coming from the brand Creality, while our printer is up to date by Wool 3D. Wool 3D are authorized dealer of Creality and many other printers. Well, let me tell you, they have 11 branches all over India and a massive stock of printers. Well, hurry up and check them out. The link in the description below. Soon, we'll come up with a detailed review, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned. Now, coming back to the unboxing. The box contains an assembled base for the printer, filament extruder assembly, the Z-axis taper motor, the Z-axis bearing assembly, two 2020 and two 2040 aluminum extrusion, one display and control board, one power supply with cable, filament holder, scraper, orange tubing, tool bag and one component bag. You also get a user manual. Step 1. Attaching Z-axis extrusion. Take two 2040 extrusion. Notice that one of them has two vertical holes drilled for the power supply. Use two M545 screws to attach each one of them. Keep the shorter length towards the bottom and the power supply screws towards the left side. The power supply extrusion is attached on the right side of the printer. Similarly, for the left side, attach the other extrusion with two horizontal screw holes. Step 2. Power supply attachment. Match the two power supply screws with the two holes on the extrusion. Attach them using the M420 screws supplied. Note: don't forget to set the correct input voltage to match your local mains. It's 230 in my case. Attach the display on the front side with two M58 screws. Step 3. The Z-axis limit switch. Take the Z-axis limit switch supplied with the printer, loosen the screws and make the T-slot nut perpendicular to the extrusion. Align it and bring it down to the very end till it hits the lower extrusion. Tighten the screws. Step 4. Z-axis motor. Rotate the printer base so that the back side faces you. Take the Z-axis motor and attach it to the back of the extrusion using two M418 screws. Attach the lead screw to the motor shaft coupler. Step 5. X-axis gantry. Take the 2020 aluminum extrusion shown in the video. Attach the filament extruder using two M416 screws. Now screw in the quick release nozzle for the filament. After completing, it will look like this. Step 6. Printed installation. Make sure the printed nozzle faces downwards. Slide in the assembly over the X-axis gantry. Now attach the X-axis bearing plate. Use two M416 screws to fix it. Step 7. Installing the X-axis timing belt tensioner. Take the belt tensioning pulley and slide it in. Use an Allen key to tighten the T-slot nuts. Step 8. X-axis GT2 timing belt. Slide in the timing belt under the printed bail. Now on the other side, pull it over the gear. Then again slide it back down and fix it. Same for the other end. Make sure it slides smooth and adjust tensioning if required. Step 9. Z-axis gantry installation. Take the entire X-axis assembly and slide it over the Z-axis aluminum extrusion. Adjust the lead screw and rotate it so that the entire assembly moves down. Step 10. Top extrusion attachment. Install the top 2020 aluminum extrusion using two M5 screws and tighten them. And with this, your printer is almost done. Step 11. Filament holder. Well, this is pretty much clear, so I'm just gonna sit back and relax. Step 12. Wiring guide. Few important things to say in this. There are two types of black wire bus. A 2-wire one that plugs into the switches and a 4-wire one that plugs into your steppers. Also, there is a thick black and red cable that plugs with your power supply. The rainbow colored ribbon cable is for the display board and you have to attach this to the EXP3 connector. The first one from your left side. There is a yellow tag for each black wire denoting the axis X, Y and Z. E is for filament extruder. Cut the orange tubing to size and attach it to the V slots to cover them. And with this, your Ender 3 printer is complete. Load your filament and start printing right away. Also, all the upgrades you see on this printer will be covered in an upcoming video, so don't worry about it. Thanks for watching guys, have a great day.